Hey fellow gliders, welcome back. I'm Robert Petito. I'm excited to share with you that Glide just released a brand new feature. It's in preview now. It's voice transcriptions. So before what we had to do is create like these custom screens and then leverage AI in order to do these voice transcriptions, but actually Glide built in a brand new voice transcription module anywhere inside of your app. All you have to do is add a button and attach an action and you're done. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we can use this. The first thing you'll have to do is enable the new feature. So you can do that at your team folder level. Just head down to settings and then scroll down to the preview features, and you're going to turn on record and transcribe voice in an action. Go ahead and toggle that on. So voice transcription is a very useful feature when you have to do any sort of lengthy typing, especially when you're out in the field. Maybe you're wearing gloves or something like that, and you don't want to have to type a long response on a mobile device. Right? Let's say I have this form, I want to mark it as done, and I have this lengthy review that I have to fill out, right? If I'm sitting here at my desktop and I have a keyboard in front of me, it's not a big deal, right? Also, if I'm at my desktop, I can leverage the operating system feature to bring up Siri or whatever in order to say what I want to say and have it transcribed in that regard. But Glide actually has a brand new action that lets you bring up a voice transcription, and it's beautiful because it lets you have this little way. I'll show you exactly what it looks like in just a second. And it actually lets you take the transcription of your audio, edit it, and then submit it to any sort of field that you're looking for here. All right, again, you can add it to any button. So in this case, let's go ahead and add a button component. So on the left-hand side here, let's go to components. I'm going to search for button, drag it in below my review for my text entry, and we're going to go ahead and say record. Let's say record review. And the action here now, if you search for voice transcription, you see that you're going to have a brand new interaction that's a record and transcribe voice. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that action, and it's going to ask you where you want that transcription to save. In this case, I want to save it to my review. There's a couple of other things we can pop in here. This placeholder text and this title text is what shows up on the next screen that pops up. You also have the ability to auto record, right? So I can have it set up so that the moment I push this button, the recorder goes, which is, again, really handy when you're out in the field and you don't want to have to push too many buttons. Right, so in this case, I'll leave that turned on so it automatically records me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit record, and you can see exactly how this looks. So I click record review, a new screen pops up. You see the little waveform happening in the bottom here, and it's gonna transcribe exactly what I'm saying as soon as I'm done with recording. So let's say I'm doing a review for this book, Wait What, which is a wonderful book about questions you can ask to manage life. One of my favorite questions that this book specifically addresses is, can we both agree that, right? So in case we both have differing opinions on something, we can try to find some common ground and move the conversation forward. So anyway, that's something that you can have. Again, they're kind of a lengthy response. This will take a long time for me to type, yada, yada, right? And when I'm done, I hit the check mark, right? And the transcription will take just a second, and there we go. Right? And here I can get rid of all of, I can get rid of all this placeholder text for this book. Wait, what? So Wait What is a wonderful book, like this. Okay, when I hit done, it now pops it into that field that I specified, and now I'm free to submit my response. Voice transcription. So again, it's a very beautiful component. Some nuances with the component that I just found out is when you go to record, note that it's gonna go ahead and record you right from the get-go if you have that toggled on. And if you want to cancel, you can always hit the X button to cancel out. Okay, and then it won't save your transcription. You can re-record by hitting the button over here. Okay, if you decide you want to cancel altogether, you can just close and then hit done. Okay, no harm, no foul. If you recorded something and you saved it, okay, you can hit the clear button at the top left-hand corner in order to clear response before moving on and re-recording or hitting done as well. So I'm super excited about this feature. I'm excited to see all the ways that you're going to use it. If you have any interesting use cases, feel free to leave those in the comments below. You can also reach out to me at Twitter at @rpetito. And as always, thanks for watching.